is back, and today we are doing some slime. Someone told me I should do some more slime, so you know what? Santa left it for me. I'm doing it. So let's get started. So I can So let's see what's in here. We have, I already got the hot water cups in here. We have this tetraborite that we are going to pour into the blue cup. We got a bit of pink. We got scissors. We got glue. And we got a spoon and a popsicle stick that we use to mix. Okay, so, let's look here. I have the directions here, so I can, where is it? Okay, so I need 1 spoonful of the sodium borate. It says, using the spoon. Okay, so all I need is a spoonful of sodium borate, and then I can mix it up. Okay, so now, so it needs a spoonful of this with spoon provided. So this should be enough. So let's just move it so I can see it better. So mix. Okay, now it says to mix. Now it says here, okay guys, sorry, there's a little bit of a mix-up. So all we have to do now is, it's a clump of this. Okay, it says to mix thoroughly and set aside, so I could just, yeah. And number 2, fill a cup of, okay, so I need to pour in the whole bottle of glue in the green cup. Okay, so wait, I could try and, I guess it would take longer, but I was gonna take it off, but it's really tight, so I don't know if I'm able to. I'll hold this. So mix and mix. Just tell me when to stop. Wait, when do I? It says to mix thoroughly, but it doesn't say how long to mix thoroughly. Okay, there's tiny bubbles, so I'm gonna assume that's good. Yeah. Don't want to glue this to it. Okay. What? Okay, lay out the 3 remaining cups and empty a single paint color from the provided paint strip into each one. Then take the glue mixture set aside from earlier and pour equal amounts into each cup of paint. Mix each color thoroughly so the solution has a constant color. Add glitter to each. Add glitter to each cup. But we are back. So So what I have to do, so it says 3 remaining cups. So the 2 ones that are filled with hot water. Okay, they're over here. Did I apply the glue into? Okay, so let's use these. And so first thing I got, so it says to pour all the paint into one of these. Okay, 1 color in each. That's what I know. Okay, back. So all we have to do is pour 1 bit of paint into each of them. So paint, come out, please. Will you come out for me? Paint, will you? Do I have to scrape you out? So I think I have to, I don't want to, so I'll use the other end since that has a little bit of glue on it. So, glue, 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 come on. Okay. So it says to pour equal amounts of bits of glue in here. So I will pour the same amount of glue to each. Good. 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 Okay. Okay, so now that that's over with, all we have to do is stir in the glue with the paint. Mix and mix. So this looks just about good. Come off. Will you come off for me, please? Okay. And next, with your stars that I will cut open very carefully. Okay. For a second I thought that was gonna like do it open like one of the cups. Man, scissors are hard to open. So here and yeah. Okay. So little bit of glitter in here, little bit in here, little bit in here, a little bit more in here, a little bit more in here, and the rest of it in here. Okay, that looks like enough for about each cup. So take the soda into not too sweet. Okay. Okay. So 2 bits of the how do you pronounce it again? Tetraborite solution. I need 2 spoonfuls of that. So where is the spoon? Over here. So it says 2 spoonfuls per each cup. So I will take. Wait, that's not a spoonful. I think. Okay, the boride. We messed it up a little bit, but I have a feeling we'll be fine. Okay. Like the purple one is fine. Yeah. So stir and stir. It's up to stir until your slimy goop is formed. Well, just slime. But I said slimy goop. For some reason it calls it goop, which I should say because it's an owl, but at least how it's spelled. So I need to stir this until it's fine. This is like this challenge. This is like the slime challenge almost fail. This is slime challenge almost fail, but yeah, it's just that, but in a different video, in a different way. Like we mixed up the cups, too many cups. We mixed up 5 of them. So this is why I had a feeling that there's a 1 cup without it and 2 cups with it. I thought Mom might have been right, but she was. Maybe she thought that those didn't have water in that and that one did, but something like that. So we're just stirring it and hoping it works. I think it's formed. Oh, there's still a paint down here that needs to be formed. Okay, so yeah, I think the slimy goop is formed. I think. Okay, so this is the one with water. Well, there's 2 of them with water. But we're just stirring it and hoping it works. It's forming a little bit in the bottom where there's glue and water. In the water up to the top, there some stars are here. So. Okay, I think it's starting to form and come up. So I think it might be a little bit different than shown on the box, but I think we'll be just fine. It'll be like the slime almost fail. I tried following one on YouTube using a bit of different ingredients, but it didn't work. So yeah, she's a very good YouTuber, but it didn't work. That's probably only because I used different ingredients. Something like that. Okay, guys, so it was fun. This worked. I think it's a little bit sticky, but after it sits for a little while, I'm pretty sure it'll be fine. But these did not, because I did not have enough glue mixed in. And this one is just water. Blue water with like stars and yeah. So when I say equal ones, you should probably just like try your best to do it equal and better than this. Seriously. Like don't make it a clump of purple and don't make it, I don't even know how to describe it. It just make it like the pink, but a little less sticky, if possible. And it says simple and easy to make, but trust me, it's way, the instructions are way too confusing. I mean, it's only 4 steps. So give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, I hope you guys had a good Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Speaking of New Year, after my next video is going to be New Year's makeup, then it's New Year's outfits if it's still New Year's, because I was gonna do like a back to school part 3, but it was already like too late in the year, so I couldn't do back to school anymore. I just couldn't. So I hope you guys have a Happy New Year, and I hope you had a Merry Christmas. Okay, bye.